Hi friends, welcome back to Aditya RPA Academy. We are continuing to work with real-time issues and interview questions in Prism RPA. So if you really like this video, you please subscribe it and you please refer to your friends. Thank you. And the question is, the SQL Server database instances are usually set to run on a standard default port, but can Prism connect to a SQL Server instance that uses a specific port number other than the default one? Yes. So here the default SQL Server will install an instance to run a specific port number. For SQL Server Enterprise, this will the port number is like a 1433. For a SQL Server instance, now this is dynamically assigned. When entering values to the database server name, it is possible to specify the port number for that connection. And for example, the dynamic port is like 50292. Is being used by the running SQL Express instance on the local SQL Server database server. The format is like this: the production database server, so /BP instance. If you observe here, the comma is required for this one. So here is like a dynamic port number. And if then there is like a comma character separating the database or instance names and the port number values. So here you can find out the database server like a local host / like a SQL Express, comma 50292. So in addition to being able to specify a specific port number for a connection, the same format can also be used to specify a connection when using the data SQL Server objects actions. So for example, when using like a set connection action, the server parameter can use the same format. So if you observe here, it is showing that the business object, like the data like on a SQL Server, and the action is like a set connection. And here, whenever we install like a Prism, by default the SQL Server visual business object comes by default with the Prism, and you can see that set connection. And I already downloaded from the database here the data -SQL Server. It's available under File, Import, Browse, and you can see that under VBOs like a Program Files, Prism Limited, like a Prism Automate, and then VBO. So here you can find out like a BPA object, that is SQL Server. And here we can assign a name for this one, like a localhost, like a SQL Express, comma 50292, and the database is like a Prism, and user is a system administrator SA, like that. Okay, in further videos we'll see in detail about the SQL Server like a visual business object. Thank you for watching. Please stay with us for more information on real-time like issues and interview questions in Prism RPA. Thank you.